Welcome back to my channel. I have been passionate about handwriting for years. In this video, I will guide you through some simple but effective techniques to improve your penmanship that really help me, and hopefully they can help you too. So my first technique, it's not really a technique, it's something you need to get used to doing, and that's to slow down. It was difficult for me because I'm used to writing fast, but when I slowed down I could see my handwriting over the weeks, over the months really improve. The pen I'm using in this video is a Lamy Safari, the blue ink cartridge, and the paper is A3 graph paper. I like using the graph paper because it allows me to try and get all my letters the same size. So I recommend, if you're not using graph paper, give it a go. You will see some improvement. When you're writing, try and get the gaps in between each word the same size. I struggle with this a lot. Even in this paragraph I'm writing here, I can see that some of the gaps are slightly larger than others, but again, it just takes practice. Relax your hand a bit more as well. Try not to grip the pen so tight. I know I used to do this a lot, and all it does is just makes your hand flipping hurt. I hope the tips that I've shared with you today in this video help you like they help me. More to the point, I hope that makes sense. I'm still not used to speaking in my videos. I still find it very uncomfortable. So thank you for your patience, and I will see you in the next one.